Hi, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com, and today we're going to answer one of the questions we get a lot. What is Super Alexa mode? So we're going to answer that question for you and give you a little bit of brief history about what Super Alexa mode is and how you can activate it on your Alexa device. So Super Alexa mode is just a fun cheat code that was invented originally for video games. Back when Nintendo was really popular, it was called the Konami Code, which Konami was a popular video game developer at the time, and they developed this cheat code that basically gave you unlimited lives in a couple different games. So this plays homage to that, and I'll show you exactly what Super Alexa mode does, but before we get to that, don't worry. Super Alexa mode does not hurt anything. It is not dangerous. A lot of people worry about it. A lot of people ask questions like, my kid put Alexa into Super Alexa mode, what's going to happen? Or how do I get Super Alexa mode off Alexa? This is broken, it's broken my Alexa. Don't worry, you cannot break your Alexa device with the Super Alexa mode. But we get a lot of frightened people, a lot of frightened parents that their kid has put Alexa into Super Alexa mode and they're like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Is it gonna make the Alexa start smoking? Is it gonna steal all my data? It's not gonna do any of that. It's just a fun little feature. So let's show you how to put Alexa in Super Alexa mode. How to put it in Super Alexa mode. So all we're gonna do is say, Alexa, up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A, start.
Super Alexa mode activated. Starting reactors online. Enabling advanced systems online. Raising dongers. Error. Dongers missing. Aborting.
That's it. That is Super Alexa mode. We'll do it one more time. Up, up, down, down, left, right,
Sorry,
B.
I don't know that one.
Oh no. We have to say, Alexa, up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A, start.
Super Alexa mode activated. Starting reactors online. Enabling advanced systems online. Raising dongers. Error. Dongers missing. Aborting.
That is all Super Alexa mode does. It's just to pay homage to Konami and the inventor of the original cheat code, and just a little thing that programmers have put in there because I assume a lot of them grew up playing these games and thought it was a neat little cookie to put in here, or a neat little cheat code to have some nostalgia for those old video games with their very simple cheat codes on Nintendo controllers. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't worry, if somebody puts your Alexa in Super Alexa mode, it's not going to take off. It's not going to turn into Superman or anything like that. It is just going to do this little, I guess, cheat code. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.